Welcome back! This is Michelle with Healthy Smiles Hotline, here today to talk to you about caring for your toddler's teeth. When caring for your toddler's teeth, you want to brush them 2 times a day, once in the morning and again at night. And you want to use a small amount of toothpaste the size of a grain of rice and encourage your child to spit this toothpaste out. As your child becomes better at spitting the toothpaste out, you can transition to a fluoride toothpaste and continue using the small amount. At this age, your child may want to brush by themselves, and that's okay. We just recommend that a parent go behind them and do a follow-up brush and continue doing this until the child is able to tie their own shoes. And don't forget to floss. Flossing is important 1 time a day. You can do this in the morning or at night, whatever works best for you. You can use the child-friendly flossers. It'll make it easier for you, and the child will enjoy it because they usually taste very good. Brushing at this age can be a challenge, and that's why it's great that there are so many ways to do this. You can have them lay in your lap, you can have them lay on the bed, on the floor, they can sit in a chair, or simply stand in front of you, whatever works best for your child. And don't forget to make it fun. You can sing silly songs, you can tell them a story, you can count. There's lots of ways to make it fun. And for more ideas, you can visit our website where we have a blog called How Do I Get My Toddler to Brush Their Teeth? And another thing to think about when caring for your toddler's teeth is their diet. Toddlers love their snacks and their sippy cups. So it's important to have healthy snack choices for them, such as fruits, vegetables, and yogurt, to name a few. There's also crackers, Cheerios, and the little fruit and vegetable puffs that they all seem to love. Just make sure that they are drinking water with these, as they tend to stick in the back teeth. And speaking of sticky foods, you want to stay away from sticky and chewy candies. If your toddler wants candy, chocolate is a good option, as it will melt while they're chewing and then they swallow and it's gone, and it tends to not stick in their teeth. As far as drinks go, we recommend giving them milk and juice at meal times and water with their snacks and throughout the day. Wow, we've covered a lot today. While the toddler years can be challenging, they can also be very exciting. So enjoy your child learning and exploring. And as always, if you have any questions, you can reach us at 770-521-8855, or you can reach us on the web at www.thekidstoothdoc.com. If you're interested in scheduling an appointment, you can call our new patient coordinator, Chrissy, or you can submit an online request form. Thank you and have a great day.